and welcome to tonight's episode of The Canned Cook. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season this year. Merry Christmas to those that celebrate. We celebrate Christmas in our house, and I'm of course rocking one of my new Christmas presents from my wonderful husband-to-be. Tonight in my kitchen, I'm going to be using up some leftovers from our wonderful turkey dinner that we had over Christmas, and I'm going to be making some turkey noodle soup. It's going to be very easy, a nice, wonderful one-pot meal that is nice and hearty, it's very healthy, and is a good way to just use up some of those leftovers that you have from your holiday cooking. We're going to start off by sauteing our aromatics, our onions, our garlic, and our celery. We'll let those get tender, and then I'll be adding in some chicken broth, which is going to be leftovers. This is actually a half carton leftover from our turkey dinner on Christmas, as well as some stock that I made from the drippings that was from our actual turkey from Christmas dinner. So I'll be combining those, and then I'll be adding in some bouillon, some other spices, bringing that to a boil, adding in our turkey and our noodles. After all that has boiled for about 10 minutes, when your noodles are nice and soft, but not too soft, we want them a little al dente, and we'll add in some peas, a fresh squeeze of lemon, some parsley, and any additional seasonings that you might like. It's going to be a wonderful one-pot meal that's nice and hearty, healthy, super easy, not too much of a mess. I love the one-pot meals. They're always my favorite to cook and my favorite to clean up. All right, let's get cooking. I totally forgot to announce the carrots in my recipe. So we will also be adding in about 1.5 cups of fresh carrots. Can't forget that in your aromatics when you're making soup. turkey noodle soup is all done. And all we need to do is dish it up now. Super easy, one pot meal. Ooh. Got a little thyme in there. Oh, get a good shot. All right, nice, easy, one pot meal. Perfect for this cold time of the year. Turkey noodle soup. Bon appetit.